Hey friends, welcome back to our channel and to our understairs makeover project. I'm resharing my 3D rendering of the design I have planned for this space to remind you of the vibe I'm going for. If you missed our last video where Bernard built the cabinets for our luggage and cleaning tools, you can get caught up by tapping the link in the top right corner. This week he's focusing on the rest of the cabinets for this space, but first we needed to remove the old carpet as well as all of the padding and tack strips. This was my first time removing carpet, and it was actually much easier than expected. We used a trim puller and hammer to remove all of the tack strips, and then Bernard scraped off any residual glue. After removing the carpet, Bernard got to work on building a base for the lower cabinets using ground contact pressure-treated 2x4 lumber. For all of these cabinets, we're using pre-finished birch plywood because I love the look it'll give to the interior of the cabinets. Now these are a bit pricey at about $100 for a 4x8 sheet, but it's still cheaper than purchasing fully assembled cabinets. In this tall cabinet, we decided to go with fixed shelves where each one had a different height. We also included a centered shelf in the lower cabinet. The one thing we forgot to do with the tall cabinet was to recheck the height to make sure it would fit in this tight space, and thankfully it fit just fine. Bernard then secured the finished cabinets to the wall by screwing them into the wall studs. The rest of the cabinet build was essentially a rinse and repeat of the previous ones. With the fourth and final cabinet secured, we can stand back and admire Bernard's handiwork. I'm so incredibly proud of him, and I love how the cabinets turned out. They look very professional and really elevated our understairs makeover project. In our next video, these cabinets will be painted as well as the rest of the walls. Bernard will also be building the face frames and possibly installing our new light fixtures. These are the paint colors I'm currently thinking about to complement the white cabinets. Bernard and I each have a favorite, but we're still thinking it over. I know we have ways to go, but I'm so happy with the current progress. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.